Hello friends, welcome to my AI Traffic Agent review. AI Traffic Agent is the first ever pay per character app. It works in a way that every time you deploy a Chat-GPT traffic agent, WhatsApp pays out money for each character. They have found a way to get ChatGPT to act as a text messaging human agent. When you unleash these AI agents onto WhatsApp, it gets you leads, traffic, and sell. Now I am inside the members area of AI traffic agent, and here I'll provide you one small demo of the product, and this is their sales page. So you can check all the features and benefits of the product from their sales page. And before going into the small demo of the product, I like to mention that one link is given in the video description below, and that is my affiliate link. And if you purchase the product through my affiliate link, you will get 31 extra bonuses from my end, and all the bonuses will be delivered inside the Warrior Plus purchase dashboard next to your purchased product. And if you want to know what are the extra bonuses you will get total 31 extra bonuses: bridge page profits, blogging for profits, online money machine, chatbot uncovered PLR, affiliate list pro, affiliate link widder, crypto marketo, secret email marketing system, conversion equalizer, WP suite page plugin, affiliate marketing profit kit, one video course on sales funnel, auto content machine, YouTube crash, WP slideshow master plugin, video watermark, one click sketch. So you'll get total 31 extra bonuses from my end. Now watch the complete demo of the product.
In this video, we are going to cover an overview of the software, how to get started, and how you can utilize all the features to the best of your benefits. So if you see on the left, this is the dashboard where you can see the multiple options. The first option is configuring the system, where you are going to set up the basic configuration so that you can get started with both WhatsApp bulk sender as well as the chatbot for your website. So once this is done, then you can explore more options like list management, bulk sender, and creating the opt-in form, then creating the WhatsApp opt-in, creating the sales funnel, automation, setup reminder. So we are going to cover all these things in this video. So please pay close attention so that you won't miss out on anything. So first thing that is required is configuration of the system. So you click here and you see two options. The first one is Twilio configuration, where you will be required to integrate Twilio account, and you simply have to add these details by following all the instructions from this page. So once you click on the help button, you'll find all the instructions that are required to do the Twilio configuration. Once that configuration is done, you add all the details on the previous page here and save settings. That's it. It's just 30 seconds of work. Then the next option is bulk WhatsApp settings, where you will be required to add WhatsApp settings for the software. So from here you will be required the from number from which you are going to send the WhatsApp messages to your customers list, and you can name it anything you want. So for example, let's just name it test number 3, and the number that from which you are going to send them messages. So for example, I'm going to send the messages from this number. I'll add this number, and a 10 seconds of delay is required so that you can send the messages after 10 seconds of delay to each user. So once this is done, you simply click on the submit option and your device will be added. You see this number is added. Now to verify this number, that this number belongs to you, you have to scan the this QR code which will be generated here from your WhatsApp, from which you have used this registered number. So make sure that you are adding correct mobile number here so that you can scan this code from WhatsApp and get started really quick. Now next option is list management. So you go to the next option, that is list management, inside which you can find all the contacts that you have added so far. And if you want to do the segmentation of lists, you can do that. And if you want to create a specific list, you can create a list here. So inside this video, we are going to cover a small demo of, for example, I am a salon business owner, or I am a bakery owner, or I'm a pet supply owner, or I am a, for example, an Indian restaurant owner. So let's just say Indie Resto customers. This will be the name of the list, and I can add the description and other things. So once this is done, our list will start appearing here. Then the next step is sending a bulk SMS, or sorry, so the next step would be sending a bulk message, which you can do directly by clicking here send message option. So this is really interesting part of the software. If you see here, you can generate messages based on your requirements. So all you have to do is click on done for you WhatsApp prompts, and it is going to generate the message. It will help you generate the message through the Chat-GPT. So for example, I want to create a 100-word SMS that emphasizes on time sensitive discount, and I'll simply use this, and I click on the search on Chat-GPT, and it will generate me a message based on my requirements. See, it has generated me a message. Now I can simply add the product name and make small changes that are required, and I can send this message through my WhatsApp number, and I simply have to select the list to which I have to send the this message, and it will send the message to all of them. You can even utilize select these done for you templates which are being created for you, so that you can get started really quick. If you want to add this message, you simply click on use this message and it will be added. You can even search any specific and ask ChatGPT to create a specific message for you by simply making that search and asking the ChatGPT to generate that message for you. So you can do that directly from here, or you can utilize the done for you WhatsApp prompts, or you can utilize done for you templates. So it's all up to you how you want to utilize this bulk message sender. So once you hit the send button, this message will be sent to all the people who are in this list. The next option is creating the opt-in form. This is the most important part. So when you see if you have a website, for example, I'm an Indian restaurant owner and I have a website, then all I have to do is create a chatbot for that website, and this chatbot is going to talk to the customers and help them place the orders without any human intervention required from the restaurant side. So let's just create the chatbot. Let's say Indian restaurant expert, and I can name my restaurant anything. So let's say welcome India Resto. What does my company do? It's an Indian restaurant, and I'll select the name. I can add the name. For example, I want to call my expert, the restaurant expert, as maybe his name is his or her name. I can add any name I want. So let's say Jaswinder Singh, and I can select the location of this bot. So I want the bot at the bottom right. I can select that location, and I can select the list for which it is going to interact. So whenever the customer signs up to this through this bot, they are going to get added to this list, and I'll click on the add opt-in option and my bot will be ready. So you can see this is the opt-in name. This is going to appear on the top as an expert. This is the list name, and we can check it here, and all you have to do is simply get this code and add it to your website, and your chatbot will be added, integrated to your website, and will be ready to take care of all the customer care queries and help your customers place the order and generate more business for you. So once this is done, this is the opt-in form for website. You can also create an opt-in WhatsApp opt-in, where customers are going to interact with your bot directly through their WhatsApp. Instead of them chatting on the website, they can simply, once they sign up, they will be redirected to the WhatsApp and they can start their conversation inside WhatsApp. So this is similar to the opt-in form that you created here. You can again you can call this and whatever you want, and then again, welcome Indian resto and Indian restaurant, Jaswinder Singh. Maybe on WhatsApp we can Pami Singh, Pami Kaur. Okay, so that's a female name. And once again, select the location and select the list where you want the customers to get added, or you can even call this Indian food expert. So this name will appear on the top of the chatbot. Okay, and I'll click on the add opt-in and my WhatsApp opt-in bot will be ready. So this is my WhatsApp opt-in bot, and I can simply add this code again on my website, and once they sign up to that form, they'll be automatically taken to WhatsApp and they can start chatting with my Indian food expert, who is going to take care of all the queries of the customers. So once this is done, we can create a sales funnel. So here you can add products inside the system of AI traffic agents. So for example, I want to sell Indian curry and breads, then I can simply add those products directly from here. So let's say, just for demo purpose, Indian paneer curry, and I can add more details like, you know, what ingredients are being added or extra things. So once that is done, I can name the price, let's say $20, and I can add a picture of the Indian curry, and I can click on the submit option. So this will be added as a main product. If I want this to be as an inline, like an add-on, then I select check this option. If I want it to be a main product, I simply keep it unchecked and submit option. Once this is done, our product is added. I can go back here and check the product in the product list. See Indian curry with the description. It's not an inline, it's $20, 20 rupees, whatever currency you want to mention it for. So just make sure that you are adding the right price. Once the product is added, I can add one more product that can be an inline. So I'll just show it to you. It's really simple. Let's say with the curry, people will require bread. So let's say Indian bread naan. It's a very popular Indian bread. Let's just say $10, and I'll add the image for it. Sorry about this. See, this is the Indian bread naan. I've added that, and I'll select it as an inline product and click, and the product is added as an inline. I go back here, I check my product. See, the product is added as an inline product, as an add-on product. And now what I can do is I can create an opt-in list. Sorry, now I have to create a funnel first. So let's create a funnel for this Indian restaurant expert. Let's say Indian restaurant funnel, and I can add the keywords. So for example, the customer is looking for paneer curry, then it will trigger the purchase, and I'll have to add the payment or purchase URL. So for example, you are selling the product through PayPal, like we are giving the option for PayPal. So if you want the payment to be done through PayPal, then you can add that particular URL for which the payment will be done for paneer curry. And if you want to add more options, you can add those keywords for which you want this particular funnel to get triggered for that particular product. So make sure you are adding your URL here, the purchase URL. You can even add the URL for on which you have enlisted paneer curry. So for example, it's on your e-commerce site, and if you want the buyer to visit that particular page for that particular product, then you simply have to add that URL here and click on the continue button. So this is just text for understanding. Let's say I want to add paneer, my website name.com/paneer. Then I'll simply save this, and now I'll add the heading of the product, that is paneer curry, and I'll select the product from here, Indian paneer curry. This is the listing. This is this product heading is just for our understanding. Now you see we have picked that product that we just added, Indian paneer curry, and now I'll click on the continue. That is step 3, where I will be provided to add an add-on product. So we have added an inline product as an Indian bread. So the Indian bread is added, and click on continue button. Now we can add a URL here that will be shown to the user after they make the payment through PayPal or whichever payment gateway is available on your website. So post payment, wherever you want to send the customers, maybe on a thank you page, you can do that. You can add that URL here, and once that is done, you select your opt-in form that you opt-in bot that you earlier created here. Okay, so right now let's say we want Jaswinder Singh to handle this conversation on the behalf of the restaurant. Then we simply select that particular bot and we click on the submit option, and it will save our funnel. So you see a funnel is created. This is our funnel. We can add this funnel on the website by simply picking the code, and we can add it over there, and pretty much the funnel is ready. We can test it through the bot by going in the opt-in option and clicking on the try now button, and that's it. Your funnel will be ready. You can check out the opt-in list directly from here, where we added the products and we created the sales funnel, and you can check out the conversation that are happening between the customer and the bot directly from here, and you can add your PayPal account here so that you can your customers can directly make the payment to your PayPal account for the services or products that you are selling through AI traffic agent system on your website. And then there is one more option of automation, where you can set particular messages that needs to go through WhatsApp. So for example, you want to send some follow-up messages to the customers who visited your Indian restaurant or who purchased products from your Indian restaurant. So in the coming days, maybe you want to have a feedback from them, then you can simply you can create a follow-up message list, feedback automation I would call it, and I'll select the list. So these are your existing customers, and we are going to send them a follow-up message for the feedback. So whenever they for example, they signed up at like 11 p.m, then if you keep this immediately, then the message will trigger immediately. But if you want to send the message a day after they visited and at a particular time, for example, I want to send this message around 11 a.m. on day 2, then I simply select that option. So my message will be triggered exactly at this time, and I'll write my message directly here, or I can take the help of WhatsApp prompts from and utilize these prompts. Let's say I want something like this. I'm offering some free trial of food tasting or something like that. Then I'll simply click this and utilize that prompt, and then I'll ask ChatGPT to write a message for me. So that will be done, or I can simply select a done for you template from here. So it's all up to me what kind of message I want. And let's say looking forward for your quick feedback on yesterday's food order. So I can create my messages, or I can take help from ChatGPT to generate these messages. So this is first message. If I want to add more messages, let's say I want to send one more message on 6th day on 10 a.m. I can do that, and I simply have to click on design message and I can create the message. Thanks for your valuable feedback, something like that, and that's it. So my message will be assigned and it will go on the 6th day. Then I'll click on the continue and I'll simply submit this automation, and this message, this feedback automation is created. Similarly, if I want to approach customer and want to get them converted, I can send them follow-up messages, post their queries. So for example, today they made a query about some pet supplies on my pet store. Then on the day 2 I can take a follow for that particular product, like this particular product is available at a discount, or we are offering such deal, and based on that then I can have some real conversion of these potential leads. So this software covers everything that is required to automate your WhatsApp through the power of ChatGPT, and utilize this artificial intelligence to increase your business without being present all the time. So I hope we have covered everything. There is one more option, that is reminders. If you want to send a particular reminder, you can simply select the list of the customers. For example, I want to send the reminder to 7 customers. I simply select that list, I add my WhatsApp number, create my message and hit send, and that message will be sent to all the customers immediately. So this is a reminder. If I want to schedule a message, I can schedule that message similarly. So for example, I want to schedule a message to the restaurant customers. I select that list, I type the message, I select the time zone, I select the date and time, and that message will be sent at that particular time to all the customers in this list. So that is scheduling the messages. And I think we have covered everything that is required to get started with AI traffic agents. Again, there is one more option, that is Twilio conversation. So once you have your Twilio configuration done in the step 1, then you can check all the conversation that are happening through Twilio over here. And that's pretty much everything that is required to get started with AI traffic agents. If you still have any questions, queries, please reach out to our support. We'll be happy to help you out.
Also, you'll get some extra bonuses from the vendor end. New $900 per day live training, then $8K ClickBank commission masterclass, 20x bonus method to profit, then AI traffic agent commercial license, then free marketing tool suite. So these are the extra bonuses you will get from the vendor end. Also, they are providing 365-day no question asked money back guarantee. If you don't like the product for any reason, you can return it back and they will refund your money. So that's all about AI traffic agent review and a small demo. The link is given in the video description below, and that is my affiliate link. And if you purchase the product through my affiliate link, you will get 31 extra bonuses from my end, and all the bonuses will be delivered inside the Warrior Plus purchase dashboard next to your purchase product. That's all for today. If you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification, because whenever I publish a new video, you will be get notified instantly. So thank you for today. Bye bye.